create Reddit account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create Reddit account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for reddit.com, and you will be landed to the official website of Reddit. And after that, in order to create your account, just simply click on this three dot menu icon from the right hand side of the screen, and there you will be able to see the option called login/sign up. So since I want to sign up because I don't have an account in Reddit as of now, so I'm gonna tap on it. And over here you have two options. Either you can go ahead and log in with your username or your Google account if you already have an account, and if you don't have the account, just simply click on the sign up section from the new to Reddit section from the bottom of the screen on this pop-up menu. And after that, just simply enter your email address on this section, and after that simply click on continue. And this is the username that the Reddit has suggested you. You can shuffle it and change it as per your liking, and you can also create your own unique username if you want to, but I'm gonna select it from there only. So this one seems quite fun. And after that, just simply go ahead and create your password. I'm gonna create mine and click on continue from the bottom of the screen. And after that, just select your gender, and you can see the interest of your liking, like you can travel, family, health. So you can select up to one, or you can continue selecting more than one as well. So I'm gonna select travel inspiration. You can select as many inspiration or the trending topics or interest as per your liking, and click on continue from there. And the Reddit will start creating your account with the personalized experiences that you would want to see. So yeah, now now your Reddit account has been created. You can click on this profile section from the top right corner and open your profile and set up your profile while adding your profile picture over here. You can also change your username if you want to. You can use avatar, and you can do some moderation as well in your account. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to create Reddit account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.